Yeah, I just tried to put on a second pair of goggles. What can I say? I'm super safety conscious. So, as you can probably tell from all the sudden growth, we're not exactly on linear time here. In fact, most of what you're watching was shot back in December of 2018, but due to other obligations, I had to shelve the Gonk Droid like a squeaky penguin that had lost his squeak. I know, I'm mixing my franchises here. It's all Disney now anyway. But when Skillshare said they wanted to sponsor one of my passion projects, I knew it was time to pull the little Power Droid back off the shelf. And with so many of us stuck inside right now, it can be the perfect time to tackle projects like this and learn something new. And Skillshare can help you do just that. As an online learning community with thousands of classes available, it enables creatives like us to strengthen existing passions and explore new abilities. If you're familiar with the sort of stuff I do, you know I work in a variety of media. I love collecting new skills, and Skillshare provides classes in a wide array of maker-related topics. Woodworking, design, sewing, leatherwork, plus instruction on shooting video and editing. I've been trying to improve my marketing skills, so right now I'm taking a class by well-known designer Aaron Draplin on designing merchandise. I'm learning how to adapt my designs for different media and the importance of designing things that I myself like. As a member, you get unlimited access to classes that fit your schedule and your skill level with a community of like-minded creatives to help you along the way. All for less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. Plus, they're offering the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description a free 2-month trial of their premium membership. Honestly, I'm enjoying the classes I've taken so far, so click the link below and join now. Now, back to the Gonk Droid. These gonk feet are among the most complicated things I have ever cut. There's so many angles on here, and I've only got one left. Problem is, none of my cutting tools can accomplish it. It's both very deep and at a very shallow angle, and that's where the shopsmith comes in handy. If you're not familiar with a shopsmith, it's kind of a big power multi-tool. It's a dangerous machine in just about any configuration, but when it comes to unusual operations like this, it can be invaluable. I've already got the table set at the correct angle, and I'm going to try a sanding disc to grind down what I need. Looks like that got it. Cut out a couple of these real quick on the robot, the other robot. My favorite robot. So emotional. This is quickly turning out to be the coolest thing I've ever built. Next up is the cooler compartment, as well as painting and weathering, greeblies, electronics. I've got something cool planned for the electronics, so if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do that now. I'll be working on more of this in the coming weeks, as well as other projects. Thank you again to Skillshare for sponsoring this project. I really am enjoying the classes I'm taking over there, so be sure to click that link in the description to get your free 2-month trial. Thank you guys for watching, and what he said.